No one has shown more contempt for other nations and for the well-being of their own people than the depraved regime in North Korea. Think of it. They're not sending missiles up. And I believe that. I believe that. I really do. I think they want to do something. I think they want to make peace. I think it's time. All responsible nations must join forces to isolate the brutal regime of North Korea. He's helping us with North Korea, who, by the way, wants to talk. As of last night, you heard that. They want to talk. And we want to talk also only under the right conditions. Rocket Man is on a suicide mission for himself and for his regime. And no, it's very positive. No. Downgrade diplomatic relations with the regime and sever all ties of trade and technology. And it is unacceptable that others financially support this criminal rogue regime. So they want to talk. First time. They want to talk. And we'll see what happens. That's my attitude. We'll see what happens.